Any specific skill, hard skill or a soft skill we need to highlight to get selected for the interview? Uh, let's see reverse. So think like, what possible skill might be needed in order to get that particular job done. So think like this, that someone is hiring you, they are going to pay you, why they are doing it, what they need in return from you, and then think of what kind of a skills can help me in justifying or in helping my recruiter or my employer in getting best out of my time. So that's the way we can select the soft or hard skills. Now if you are working with the client interactions, assuming, yeah, you probably need to know your product and service as well, and you should have an ability to empathetically listen to your client so that they end up sharing their needs and requirements with you, and then you should have a knowledge where you can also map those things well. So it will be a combination of fact and figures based knowledge plus an empathetic look so that you can reach and make a maximum use of those fact and figure based knowledge. And depending upon, if you are working in a small room and you don't have to interact with anyone, then fact and figure based knowledge might be good enough, because you can say I talk to the facts and I produce facts and I don't interact with humans. Yeah, that then you may focus totally on your hard skills or technological or quantitative skills. But when you have an interaction happening, then in order to make those facts and figures used well, you need to have those layer where you can understand what is actually needed and you can serve them. So depending upon the composition of your job, you may need to add the hard skills and soft skills. The more and more it is people oriented, you need to have more empathetic view, you really care for them, and those understanding, ability to influence, ability to ask question, ability to listen well will becomes more and more important, and then only you can be probably able to help them with the hard skills. Okay. How long will it take to get a PMP certified once you start the course? Around 2 months. Yeah, that's the thing which we can say. So see, people are coming from different backgrounds for doing PMP. Yeah. So it will be a little bit of estimation when I say it will take this much time. Someone might have done project management for long, someone might have done project management, but in a very ad hoc environment. So that person's time might be a more. But in general, if I just give a hypothetical, like a range based estimation, so I usually tell 150 hours of 200 hours of investment in general needed in order to get PMP finished, yeah, developed, done. So that's the time investment. Usually I see in our content based, people take around 2 months to invest that much time. Now there are people who can invest more time in the shorter duration. We have many clients finishing PMP in 3 weeks times as well. But it depends upon how much time you can put into. So around 200 hours of preparation is good enough for doing the PMP on average. Yeah. So we have all the video contents. We have around 60 hours of pre-recorded video content, and then we will have our online classes, which will consume around 35 hours. So 100 hours are done with us only. And after finishing those 100 hours, you start taking practice tests. You discover some gaps, you fill those gaps, and that is the extra time you take. If you find less and less gap, you might be ready in maybe 100 plus 20, 30 hours only. But if you find more and more gaps, you may need another 100 hours to fix those gaps, and then you go ahead with the exam.